Hello, I'm Jeff Cowan with Sprad's RV here in Reno, Nevada, and I'm going to give you a quick walk around on the Grand Design Reflection Fifth Wheel 337RLS. We've got dual exterior awnings, one over the front off the door and one over the slide out. Gives you double the shade over your campside door side of your coach, just make it much more comfortable and enjoyable. We've got slam latch doors on our giant storage compartment down here underneath. We got the best storage in the business. You've got auto leveling underneath, so when you get where you want to go, just hit a button and it auto levels and sets itself up for you. You've got a gravity door that stays put wherever you leave it, so you don't have to worry about the wind slamming it against your coach. No butyl tape anywhere on anything made by Grand Design. These are Teflon or Mylar seals around everything on the coach. They've come up with different ways of sealing things to the coach other than that butyl tape that oozes out and looks like crap a few years later down the road. These are built for longevity. You're going to thoroughly enjoy if you come in and look at a Grand Design product. You'll have a great experience here at Sprad's and you'll have a lot of fun. That's what we do. We sell fun. So let me take you on the inside and show you what the amenities are on the inside of this beautiful 337 RLS Grand Design Reflection. And come on down to Sprad's and see Jeff. Hi everybody, this is Jeff again. Welcome inside the Reflection by Grand Design 337 RLS. The RLS is the rear lounge with a giant rear window and a full-size couch. It's a tri-fold bed. You also have opposing your entertainment center a dual reclining love seat with heat and massage and lighting. You've got a nice fireplace for ambiance underneath your entertainment center, and it comes with a large TV. Pantry inside the kitchen is a great feature. There's also a 12 cubic foot quadruple door RV fridge in place. Not a residential, but an RV fridge. This is a gorgeous unit. Come on down to Sprad's RV in Reno and see what we can do to earn your business on a gorgeous Reflection fifth wheel.